Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious spicy bean chili, quick and easy to make and budget friendly. The list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. I'll begin by warming 3 tablespoons of oil. I'll fry till soft and lightly golden 1 large onion. I'll turn the heat down low and add 4 cloves of minced garlic, and I'll let that cook down for a couple of minutes. And next I'll go in with a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger and a teaspoon of ground coriander. And in goes a teaspoon of ground cumin. And I'll go in with 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Throw in 1 cinnamon stick and I'll get that combined and let it cook out under a low heat for a few minutes. Then I'll go in with a 400-gram tin of chopped tomatoes. To 1 vegetable stock cube, I'll add 200 millilitres of boiling water. I'll stir that in and turn the heat up to a simmer. I've washed 2 400-gram tins of ready cooked kidney beans and I'll stir those in. And I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of tomato passata. And lastly, I'll go in with a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. My sauce is thickening nicely now, and I'm going to leave to simmer with the lid on for 15 minutes. As you can see, after 15 minutes, the sauce has reduced and thickened, and I'll take it off the heat. I've served my flavour-packed spicy chili beans with some white basmati rice. It would also make a very tasty jacket potato filling. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Drop me a comment and please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.